Artificial intelligence or AI development allows us to train systems without explicitly outlining rules for solving issues. By leveraging statistical models, we can predict outcomes based on accumulated data. This video will guide you through the essential steps to become proficient in AI development using Python. To start with AI development, a basic understanding of programming is crucial. Python, an all-purpose programming language, is widely used for building AI models due to its simplicity and versatility. For beginners, the Complete Python Bootcamp on Udemy is an excellent resource. It introduces the Jupyter interface and covers Python fundamentals such as variables, data types, functions, conditional statements, and loops. Another valuable resource is the free ebook Python for All Users, which provides programming concepts through problem-solving strategies. Once you grasp the basics, platforms like HackerRank can help develop your problem-solving abilities through daily programming challenges. With a solid foundation in Python, the next step is data collection and pre-processing. Many newcomers to data science dive into development without mastering these fundamental skills. Businesses often rely on external data sources, which can be gathered using web scrapers or APIs. The 365 Data Sciences Web Scraping and API Fundamentals in Python course is a great starting point. Once data is collected, it must be processed to be usable by AI models. The Pandas library in Python is essential for this task. Courses like 365 Data Sciences Data Preprocessing with Pandas or YouTube tutorials can help you gain proficiency in data preprocessing. Data analysis is crucial for uncovering patterns and insights within large data sets. Understanding your data is paramount before developing AI models. Explore how different variables relate to each other and draw recommendations based on these discoveries. Python libraries such as Seaborn, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Pandas are commonly used for data analysis. These libraries offer sample projects that mirror real-world examples, helping you apply your knowledge effectively. When approaching AI development, an incremental top-down approach is recommended. Start by creating predictive models using Python packages and real-world datasets. The scikit-learn library in Python is excellent for developing, training, and assessing AI models. FreeCodeCamp's AI Development with Scikit-learn course and the ebook Building AI Development Systems with Python provide practical examples without delving too deeply into algorithms. Understanding various models and their practical applications makes delving into underlying algorithms simpler. This includes supervised and unsupervised techniques like linear discriminant analysis, logistic regression, k-means clustering, and hierarchical clustering. Cross-validation and regularization are also covered to reduce model overfitting. Resources like our GitHub repository offer Python examples to follow along. Deep development algorithms represent the next frontier in AI. These algorithms enable profound representation discovery with minimal feature engineering. They are increasingly used in text mining and image recognition systems. Andrew Ng's deep learning specialization is a popular resource for learning how to train neural networks and employ deep learning methods. Information can quickly accumulate, so applying your knowledge to real projects is essential. While tests and certifications are valuable, real development occurs through hands-on projects. This practical experience solidifies your understanding and hones your skills. Proficiency in Python for AI development opens numerous opportunities. Python's ease of use and extensive libraries make it the best programming language for AI development. Equipped with fundamental knowledge, you can now advance as an intermediate developer and become a skilled practitioner in this fascinating field.